A very good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine at your place. Now, today this one is our second revision video of chapter number 4, grade 7, editing in MS Excel. For further practical work, let me move to our Excel sheet. So students, this is our second revision video of editing an Excel worksheet, chapter number 4. As we discussed in our previous video what is an MS Excel, steps to open the MS Excel. So in this video we are going to perform the operations on the Excel worksheet. Okay, as we all know that by default MS Excel has 3 open worksheet. Now here I have a data series which I have typed in Excel sheet. So here first I want to learn how to select the ranges in a worksheet. So basically a range is a selected rectangular box of more than two consecutive cells, or a range can be of few cells or whole row or columns of the entire worksheet. If I want to select a range, then I can click the select first cell from where the range is to be started. Suppose if I want to select the range from here, then I can press and hold the left mouse button and drag it to the diagonally till the last cell of the range, like this. Okay, like this. If I want to select from here to here, then I can click on the Anjali Goswami and select the data like this. Okay, hope you will understand how to select the range in the worksheet. Our second topic is selecting rows, columns or the worksheet. Means how to select the entire row. Firstly, we have to bring the mouse pointer to the row header like this. Okay, or the column header like this. Okay, which is to be selected, and left click on the mouse button. It shows the entire row or entire column with select in a range. Clear? Now, if we want to select the whole worksheet at once, what we have to do? We have to click on the select all button like this. Here this button shows the select all button like this. If I want to click on the whole, then I will click here. Okay, clear? Hope you all will understand then how to select the whole worksheet. Now our next topic is how to remove the cell contents. So if I want to remove the content that I have typed in the cell, then firstly I have to select the range where I want to delete the data like this. If I want to delete the data from 13 to 20, okay, so I have to select the range. Then in the home tab under the editing group, I can click on the clear option, and from here I can select the clear all option like this. As you have seen, all data which I have entered in the sheet is removed. Okay, now the next is moving the cell values. The selected data in a worksheet can be moved easily from one location to another location. Suppose if I want to move the data from 7 to 12, okay, so I have to select the data like this. Then I click on the cut option in the clipboard group under the home tab like this. Okay, here you see a dotted rectangular box will appear around the selected range. Now you have to select the destination cell where the values are to be moved. Suppose I want to paste it from here, then I can select here, I can click on the cell, then I can select the paste option like this. As you have seen, the whole data like from 7 to 12 is pasted here. Clear? Now the next is how to insert a row or how to insert a column in the worksheet. Okay, suppose if I want to insert a single row, then I just click on the row and right click on the insert. Clear? Or the another way is, if I want to insert another row, then click on the editing group under the home tab, click on the cell group under the home tab. Here I can click the insert sheet row, okay, like this. And if I want to insert a column, then I can select the column, or I can select the column range. Here I can select the insert sheet column, like this. Clear? If I want, and the next is, if I want to insert multiple rows and multiple columns, then I just have to select the number of rows like this, and I can click on the insert and insert sheet rows, like this. Here you seen 1 2 3 4 rows are inserted. If I want to insert number of columns, then I can select that columns, and here click on the insert sheet column. Here you have seen 1 2 3 4 columns are inserted in our worksheet. Clear? Now the next is how to delete the inserted row and inserted column from our worksheet. So it is very simple, students. To remove the row and column, we just have click on the row header and right click on it, and we can click on the delete option, like this. Okay, and if we want to delete the column, then we can just click on the row header and select the delete option, like this. One way is this, and the another way is click on the row header under the cell group. In the home tab, you can select the delete cell or deleted sheet row, like this. And if I want to delete the whole column, then I can select the delete and delete column sheet, like this. Okay, hope you all are clear with all the practicals. If you have any doubt, then you can. So that's all about today's presentation. If you have any doubt, any query related to the video, then you can call me, contact me, or you can drop a message in the drop box. Thank you. Have a nice day.